19th of December 2018, 19 days into Christmas countdown with JWH Millinery, and we have one more box. My throat is a little bit dry today. I might sound a little bit dodgy, but let's crack on. If you want to see what's inside this box, keep on watching. So box 19 has something heavy inside. Let's see what is in here. Oh, I have a headache. It's too early for this. Ooh! So we have some pink crin, which we have a fair bit of pink in all these things we've got in the advent calendar, so that will be good. So we have some crin, and we also have some more Fimo, and this is marble, so we have that as well. What else is this? Oh no, that's just what it is. Neon pink crin. Put that down for recycling. So today's question of the day is, why do you love Swarovski so much? To be fair, I probably shouldn't need, I don't even need to answer that. Like, Swarovski, they just sparkle so much. They're not cheap though. I'm kind of working on my piece for London Hat Week 19 that I want to wear to anything I'm going to, and yeah, let's just say I've got a lot of crystallage, which I'm very excited to showcase, and I keep wanting to do sneak peeks, and I'm like, no, but it's like, it's a labour of love and expense. Don't tell the other Mr. Westwood Hill this though. So yeah, I mean, to be fair, they're the nicest. They're the most bright, the most sparkly, and I think that's why I like them. A bit like a magpie, anything sparkly, I'm like, ooh, hello, hello, hello. So yes, that is why I love Swarovski so much. So today we're blasting through this video. It hasn't taken long at all. I haven't taken up too much of your time. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on all my social media. They are listed in the description box below, alongside a list of everything that we've had in this advent calendar so far and where you can purchase it from. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and if you are already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. In the month of December, we are putting up videos every single day at 8 AM, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, where we are literally heading into the last 5 days, 5-day countdown to Christmas. So I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.